Hello guys, what's up? Today I'm gonna show you how to fix black screen or crashing on AMD RX 460 or another AMD card. So for example, crashing is just like this. Wait a second. I'll run the GTA 5 and it should be crash after the game loaded, and a few seconds or a few minutes will crash, so and the black screen come. So it's not the black screen, it's the loading screen. So wait until the game loaded. For your information, I have a PC with the Core 2 Quad Q6600 and 6GB DDR2 Ram and RX 460 2GB, and yeah, that's the main thing of my PC. So wait until the black screen comes. Okay, then this is the black screen. I mean the GPU is crashing because the game won't load it. So just wait a second. So what you do first, you need to download the latest AMD driver. Okay, the latest one from the official. Just search on the Google AMD driver and download for your GPU. Then install it like regularly and open the AMD Radeon settings. Click here or everywhere on the desktop. Wait a second. So sometimes the AMD Radeon settings won't run like this. So wait a second, I need to restart the apps. Okay, run it again. Wait a minute. So this one. So maybe it takes some time. So okay, then the AMD Radeon setting is opened. Wait a second, I need to okay, so if you hard to see on this video, so I need to record the desktop. So here the AMD Radeon setting, there's gaming, video, relive, connect, display, systems. So we need to click on the gaming here, click, and then global setting, and here on the global webman, scroll it down a little bit, find the GPU here. So the speeds, I mean the frequency and percentage here, it should be dynamic, but we can control it, I mean adjust manually, and click it here. Then we need to decrease the frequency. I found the sweet spot is minus 10%, so everything is just okay. Frequency, the memory speed, fan, the temperature, everything is just okay. What we need is only to decrease the frequency. Then click apply, okay, and close it again. Then I'll try to run the GTA. Okay, I'll explain why the black screen come. Maybe because I have a RX 462GB without 6-pin power, so maybe the GPU won't run because the GPU doesn't have enough power to run the process, because my GPU power comes from the PCIe slot. Maybe it's only a few watts because I only have a old motherboard. So you need to decrease the frequency so the performance or the power usage is decreased too. Okay, then you need to find the sweet spot between the performance loss and the frequency loss. If you decrease it too much, you will lose too much power, too much performance from your GPU. So you need to find sweet spots. Mine is minus 10% that will run the GPU stable. So just wait the GTA 5 loaded and
you suck cock, but you don't eat meat. It don't make sense to me.
Okay, here the GTA 5 with the RX 460 decreased on the frequency to minus 10%. So the settings. Okay, for information I use 768p because I don't have any full HD monitor, so this okay. And FXAA on, fishing half, it's mean it'll lock on 30 FPS, stable, population density full, population variety on just that, distance scaling, texture quality, shader quality on height, shadow quality very high, reflection quality very high, reflection MSIA 8 times, water quality very high, particle quality high, grace quality normal, soft shadows AMD CHS, I don't know what this means, post FX very high. I don't turn on the deep depth of field effect. It's okay. And isotropic filtering is 16 time, and ambient occlusion high, tessellation very high. Okay, that's okay. And advanced graphics, nothing turn on. So okay, I'll play one mission. Okay, enough for recording from my phone. Yep. So you can watch the gameplay video or just okay. Okay, don't forget to subscribe and share and like if you like this video, and goodbye.
You look around and say, it just might be the day to quit.
Trust me, you don't want to carpool with me. Wait.
So, it looks like we're ready to go with everything. Floyd don't think it's a good idea for us to meet at the condo, so maybe we should...
Tell Floyd it is a good idea to meet at the condo. It's a great idea. And tell him we need chips and dip and prostitutes.
My heart is a joke, my mind is a biscuit. My face is a mirror, my ears are like I see everything with my mystic eyes. I am a man of the pool of the I am a man. I was born from a It's a and I will be in the yeah, born in the country, but born in the young trade, was born in the young trade. It's the Jamaican man.
Me coulda get some ice spray, but me not care if my blood shit.
Here's Trevor.
Great! Looky, huh? Bunch of government shitbags and their favorite stoolie. What's he been telling you?
No, he just said how you guys were happy to help the government in any way you can.
Oh, really? Huh? Because I was told that if we helped out with that thing, which we did, then our past indiscretions would be forgotten in a haze of patriotic fervor.
Who told you that? Did I tell you that? I'm in charge here, Fruity. Me! You understand?
Not quite. Well, can you explain that again?
What I was saying!
Take out your friends and family in spectacular fashion by getting certified. Don't believe what you hear. Flying is easy. It's mostly autopilot anyway. Click a few buttons, set the destination, and hang back with the ladies. Imagine how...
Alright guys, a few more details. We'll need boiler suits and masks for this job. The garbage truck. Let's get one from your park. Bring it back to the lot. And there's an auto repair place by the airport where we can get a tow truck. What else? Oh yeah, getaway. That would be nice. Get something fast and discreet. We park it off the road, a good distance from the lot. And make sure it ain't near something we'll crash into driving off. That's it.
Alright, man, I got you, dawg.
What? Huh? I missed that. Maybe shout a little louder?
Bite me.
a getaway vehicle ready and waiting.
Good work, T. Where'd you put it?
Cypress Flats.